Mastering inclusive design. Inclusive design holds the key to unlocking operational excellence, customer loyalty, and business triumph. What role does inclusive design play in achieving operational excellence, and how can its principles be applied to optimize processes, enhance customer experiences, and drive business success? Inclusive design plays a pivotal role in achieving operational excellence by fostering a culture of empathy, creativity, and continuous improvement. By integrating inclusive design principles into operational strategies, organizations can unlock innovative solutions, improve customer experiences, and drive business success. To begin with, inclusive design emphasizes the importance of understanding the diverse needs and abilities of all stakeholders, including customers, employees, and partners. By recognizing and valuing these differences, organizations can design processes and systems that are more accessible, usable, and desirable for everyone. This approach enables companies to tap into the full potential of their workforce, leveraging the unique perspectives and strengths of employees with diverse abilities, ages, cultures, and backgrounds. One key principle of inclusive design is to co-create solutions with diverse stakeholders, including customers, employees, and experts with disabilities. This collaborative approach ensures that solutions are designed with the needs of all users in mind, reducing the risk of unintended exclusions or biases. By engaging with diverse stakeholders, organizations can gather valuable insights, challenge assumptions, and identify innovative opportunities for process improvements. In the context of operational excellence, inclusive design can be applied to optimize processes in several ways. 1. Accessibility, designing processes and systems that are accessible to everyone, regardless of abilities, ensures that all stakeholders can fully participate and contribute. This includes designing digital platforms, physical spaces, and communication materials that are usable by people with disabilities. 2. Personalization. Inclusive design enables organizations to tailor their processes and services to meet the diverse needs of customers and employees. By offering personalized experiences, companies can increase customer satisfaction, loyalty, and ultimately, revenue growth. 3. Flexibility and adaptability. Inclusive design encourages organizations to design flexible and adaptable processes that can accommodate diverse user needs. This enables companies to respond effectively to changing customer needs, market trends, and technological advancements. 4. Error tolerance and forgiveness. Inclusive design recognizes that errors are an inevitable part of the human experience. By designing processes that are forgiving and tolerant of errors, organizations can reduce frustration, improve user experience, and increase customer loyalty. 5. Learning and feedback. Inclusive design emphasizes the importance of continuous learning and feedback. By designing processes that encourage feedback, organizations can identify areas for improvement, iterate and refine their services, and foster a culture of continuous innovation. To apply inclusive design principles in operational excellence, organizations can take the following steps. 1. Conduct inclusive user research. Engage with diverse stakeholders to gather insights on their needs, behaviors, and motivations. Analyze these findings to identify patterns, preferences, and pain points. 2. Establish inclusive design guidelines. Develop and communicate guidelines that outline the principles and practices of inclusive design. Ensure that these guidelines are integrated into all aspects of operational design. 3. Design for accessibility. Embed accessibility considerations into all design decisions, from product development to service delivery. Ensure that digital platforms, physical spaces, and communication materials are usable by people with disabilities. 4. Co-create solutions. Collaborate with diverse stakeholders to co-create solutions that meet their needs and expectations. Engage in iterative design and testing to refine and improve solutions. 5. Foster a culture of empathy and inclusion. Encourage empathy and understanding among employees, recognizing that inclusive design is a collective responsibility. Provide training and resources to support employees in designing inclusive solutions. 6. Monitor and evaluate. Continuously monitor and evaluate the effectiveness of inclusive design initiatives, gathering feedback from stakeholders, and making data-driven decisions to improve processes and services. By embracing inclusive design principles, organizations can unlock significant benefits, including improved customer experiences. Designing services and products that meet the diverse needs of customers can lead to increased loyalty, retention, and revenue growth. Enhanced employee engagement. Fostering a culture of empathy and inclusion can improve employee motivation, productivity, and job satisfaction. Increased innovation. Inclusive design encourages creative problem-solving and innovation, driving business growth and competitiveness. Better decision-making. By considering diverse perspectives and needs, organizations can make more informed, data-driven decisions that drive business success. In conclusion, inclusive design is a critical component of operational excellence, enabling organizations to design processes, products, and services that are accessible, usable, and desirable for everyone. By integrating inclusive design principles into operational strategies, companies can unlock innovative solutions, improve customer experiences, and drive business success. The pursuit of operational excellence is a quest I've witnessed many organizations embark upon, often with mixed results. As I delve into the realm of inclusive design, I'm reminded of a fascinating case study that highlights the transformative power of this approach. Meet Maria, the CEO of a thriving e-commerce company, who recognized that her business was struggling to scale efficiently. Orders were taking too long to fulfill, customer complaints were piling up, and employee morale was sagging. Maria knew that operational excellence was the key to unlocking growth, but she couldn't quite put her finger on where to start. As I worked with Maria, I sensed a deep-seated frustration. She was aware that her organization was made up of diverse teams, each with their unique strengths and weaknesses, but somehow, they weren't gelling. I sensed a longing for a more harmonious, high-performing machine. It was then that I introduced Maria to the concept of inclusive design. We began by reframing the organization's processes through the lens of empathy. We organized workshops where employees from various departments came together to share their pain points, hopes, and fears. The atmosphere was electric, as team members realized they weren't alone in their struggles. Maria herself was astonished by the sheer volume of pent-up ideas and concerns. Through this process, we identified 3 critical areas for improvement: order fulfillment, customer support, and employee onboarding. By applying the principles of inclusive design, we set out to redesign these processes from the ground up. First, we tackled order fulfillment by co-creating solutions with warehouse staff, designers, and engineers. We introduced automated sorting machines, redesigned packaging, and implemented a new tracking system. The result? Fulfillment times plummeted by 40%, and order accuracy rose to 99.9%. Next, we turned our attention to customer support. We built an AI-powered chatbot that could intelligently direct customers to the most relevant resources, freeing up human representatives to focus on complex issues. Customer satisfaction soared, with complaints dropping by 75% within 6 months. Finally, we overhauled employee onboarding by introducing a gamified, virtual reality training program. New hires could explore simulated scenarios, honing their skills in a low-stakes environment. Onboarding time decreased by 60%, and employee satisfaction rates jumped to an impressive 92%. As Maria's organization began to flourish, I could sense a profound shift in her leadership style. She was no longer micromanaging. Instead, she trusted her teams to own their processes. Inclusive design had become an integral part of their DNA. What did I learn from this experience? That operational excellence is not just about efficiency. It's about empowering diverse teams to co-create solutions that resonate with the human experience. By embracing inclusive design, organizations can break free from the shackles of bureaucracy, and unlock a more harmonious, efficient, and customer-centric future. As I look back on this journey, I'm reminded of the quiet moments when Maria and I would sit down, surrounded by whiteboards and sticky notes, and simply listen to each other. In those moments, I sensed a deep connection between our pursuit of operational excellence and the human desire for connection, for belonging. Inclusive design is not just a methodology, it's a mindset that acknowledges our shared humanity. By embracing this approach, organizations can transcend the boundaries of efficiency and effectiveness and tap into the profound wellspring of creativity, empathy, and growth that lies within.